guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by doing this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am here to share with you guys a Goodwill haul. I'm not gonna ramble, so let me just get into the video. Okay, the first item I got is actually this shirt. I went to Goodwill last week Sunday, so I got some items. The first item, like I said, is this shirt, and it says love don't pay the bills. It was brand new, that's why I got it. Shirts are normally $5.99, but this was at 75% off, I believe, so I paid, I think, $1.50. Next, I got these pants. I mentioned to you guys that I work out every single day unless it's like raining or super cold. I try to work out every day, so I needed some workout clothes, so I got these sweats. I like how it has the cuff on the bottom. It has two pockets. These were also $5.99 and they were at 75% off, so $1.50. And these have already been washed and cleaned. I got me another pair of pants to go exercising in. This one is in a charcoal gray. Again, $5.99, 75% off, so $1.50. This one, I'm sorry, there was, I didn't even notice it, the cashier, she noticed it. There was like this little tiny hole. I don't know if you can see that right here. So she spoke to the manager, and I think the manager said that she could do it for like $1. So I think I paid $1 instead of $1.50. So I'll just sew it and it'll be good to go. Then I got these. Okay, I like how it's tied here at the knee. It has drawstring waist. Again, something to work out in. 75% off, $1.50. And I got all of these in a medium. Then they had these shorts, jeans shorts, super cute. And I believe these were also $5.99 with 75% off, so I ended up paying $1.50. Okay, and these are Denzine jeans. They're actually made by Levi, and I believe this is a size 8. Okay, and I got one more short. This one is by Sonoma. It's a size 6. Probably runs big. And this was at the regular price, so I paid $5.99 for this. Okay, I think it was new. Then I got this top right here. Like I said, they've already been washed. I like the lace and how loose it is here on the bottom. I like the gold buttons. You know, something for me to sit down and make a video in, or run to the store. And the next item that I got is this shirt. It's a plain black t-shirt that says pink swag on it. It was actually brand new, so I ended up paying regular price for this, which was $5.99. Okay, and I got it in a medium. Then I got this shirt. It's a gray shirt with the words Old Navy on it. I also got this in a medium. Again, something just to wear around the house or when I go to the grocery store. Like I said, all of these have already been washed. This is another top that I got. Oh, I'm sorry, the Old Navy shirt was at 75% off, so I paid $1.50. This one as well was at 75% off. I like the mesh right here as well as in the back. Okay, so this too was $1.50. This item as well, just a simple t-shirt with some gold, I don't know what you would call this, bling I guess, but nothing crazy. Again, 75% off, so I ended up paying $1.50. This says pink and frosty. This was regular price. I got it, you know, something for me to wear during the holidays. I like the bling in the silver right here. Again, this was regular price at $5.99. I also got 2 sleepwear. Okay, these were I think $3.99, so I ended up paying $1 for each one. Okay, then my final item was actually this dress. I actually got this dress at a yard sale, so I wanted to include it in this haul. As a matter of fact, I wore it to church on Sunday. Really, really nice. I ended up buying this dress for $1. I love the design here on the bottom. Absolutely cute. And again, this was $1. I have 2 more items that I need to show you guys, so I will pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I had 2 more items that I needed to show you guys. One is this mesh basket. The regular price on it was $2.99, and at 75% off, I ended up getting it at 75 cents. And then this box, the regular price for it was, as you can see here, looks like maybe $7.99 or $7, but it was marked down to $2.99. Yeah, $2.99. But because, as you can see right here, like it's kind of like damage right here as well as here, they took $1 off, so I ended up paying $2 instead of $2.99. Okay, and this will be going in my office. Well guys, that is the end of my haul. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Guys, like I said in a couple of videos ago, I'm trying to be consistent with my videos, so you can expect a video every Monday and Wednesday. So if you don't want to miss any of my videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified as soon as the video is uploaded. Again guys, it gives me great pleasure to make this video for you guys. Everybody be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.